This is part 3 of working with masks with TwistedBrush Pro Studio. We previously covered mask tools, masking brushes, and most of the menu items from the mask menu. There are a few more things that are good to know. Let's create a simple mask. One thing you may want to do or be looking for is the ability to move your mask on the page. Currently there are a couple ways to do that. You can go to the mask filter and go to distort offset and change its position. Well, that's one option. Another option is you can convert it into an image and use any of your standard tools, because now you're really working on an image rather than working on the mask itself. And then you can turn it back into a mask. Should have really done that on a layer so that we wouldn't pick up the background, because the background layer always has a color, where if we did this on a layer it would be transparent. A couple other things which are useful when working with masks are the ability to invert your mask. It basically swaps what was masked and what wasn't masked, of course, and to clear a mask. Start on a new page again, and let's just put an image here. I'm just going to generate an image based on blobs. Let's draw a simple mask. One of the other things with masks is it protects what you're painting, your page, from getting new paint, but it also interacts with a number of different tools. Could see if we invert the mask and now go back to filters, generate, and now let's put something else here. We see the mask protects filters from being applied as well. So now we have the mask being used in interaction with filters as well as paintbrushes. Also, it interacts with a number of different tools. It's the copy tool I just selected. You can see we have a mask and an area that's unmasked. I'm going to right click and drag. I've just copied to the clipboard that rectangle. Let's hide this, and also let's clear the mask. Now this checkered pattern is just our background is transparent. Let's go to a layer and use the paste tool. You can see we only picked up the part of the page that wasn't masked when we used our copy tool previously. Let's draw a mask again, and again using the paste tool we see also that it's protecting what's being placed. Also, there's interactions to be aware of with the move. New in version 15.68 are options which give you quite a bit of flexibility when using the move. By default, with none of these selected, when you move your layer data, the mask is ignored. That's the default. We can release, and we've moved everything, completely ignoring the mask. If we use options to mask the source, it basically says when we're picking up the paint, we're going to honor the mask and keep the mask from paint being picked up. So see, now we didn't pick up what was underneath the mask, but mask destination is still turned off, so we can move underneath the mask. If we turn mask destination on, now both we are honoring the mask when we're picking up the move and when we're placing it back down.